Hi, it's Jeremy here, and today we're here to review these poles by Montem. So these are the ultra strong hiking and trekking poles. We actually bought them for I think $50 last year, and they really held up well. So what we did was we took these on the Tour de Mont Blanc, which is a sort of a 10-day long, super long trek or hike around Mont Blanc itself. And let me tell you a bit about these poles. So what we have here is, it looks a bit like cork. I don't know if you can see this, but this is actually a soft touch kind of foam. So this gives you a much better lightweight sort of feel, and the whole thing is incredibly light. So this trekking pole is one of the extendable ones, all right? So it stands to about this much, all right? So this is of course far longer than you actually need it to be. But for any height, I think this should be okay. It comes in a number of colors, I think, but this one is the one that we had, and I thought it really stood out very nicely while we were hiking. So on this hike, we actually used it so much, that we actually had to replace the tips of these. So this gives you an idea of just how much we enjoyed these poles. And when we finished it, after we replaced the tips, it's functioning pretty much like new. So these are, again, the Montem Ultra Strong poles. I highly recommend them. They worked great for us on the Tour de Mont Blanc, and I'm pretty sure they will for you as well.